बिहेवियर में ज़्यादा मेरे को नहीं दिखता। अगर मैं टीवी पे जो मैं कंडीशंस देखता हूँ, मेरे को ऐसे लगता है कि ये बिल्कुल एकदम 20 साल बाद हम वापस पहुँच गए हैं, और ऐसे ही लोग ये पहले दिखते थे, ऐसे अब दिखते हैं।
आज से करीब 20 साल पहले इंडियन एयरलाइंस के विमान IC-814 को हाईजैक कर अफगानिस्तान के कंधार ले जाया गया था और उस वक्त फ्लाइट के कैप्टन थे देवी शरण। उस वक्त तालिबानियों की ओर से रवैया क्या था और आज जो रवैया है उसमें कितना फर्क है, एक सवाल है। उस कैप्टन ने सब कुछ देखा था, आज फिर वही मंजर उस कैप्टन की आंखों के सामने है।
Definitely, if you see the pictures on TV, it looks similar. But if you go into actual, conditions, like when we were in Afghanistan in Kandahar for about 7 days, so we were also, the outside pictures was the same, but the people were less. We also wanted to come out from the Afghanistan. The way the people today at the airport, they are in crowd and they are also desperate, but I don't find much of difference in conditions. So it looks like 20 years has been washed out, and the things are same almost. The only thing is, for the people, for us, it was, we couldn't see anybody else outside except their commandos or kabalis, with the rocket launcher and with the guns. But today a lot of people are there at the airport, they want to come out of the Afghanistan. I don't think so there is any difference. If you see the dresses of those people, this was the same 20 years back, with turban, with rocket launcher, with the civilians and all. And if you today also it is same, so there's no difference at all. The only difference is, maybe little bit they are little educated, seems to be. In our time, about 20 years back, you could see them, totally uneducated type. But today, little difference. I can say that few people out of them can speak English also. But that time, the Kabalis who surrounded our aircraft all around Airbus 300, so those were not that polished, I would say. See, the kind of behavior we had, 20 years back, it is very difficult to believe how the future will be. Now I can't say anything, but definitely we had a very, very bad time in Kandahar. See, when if I start only after landing in Kandahar, so I can say that when we landed in Kandahar, our aircraft was on the runway itself, and immediately this Pizarro came, open Pizarro, with 5-6 people sitting in the Pizarro. Like today also you can see those kind of pictures, people sitting on the in the open Pizarro, and they are carrying rocket launchers and guns and all. The same way it was when I touched down, landed, stopped the aircraft. One jeep came and it was parked below my aircraft, and that time, our hijackers, they had communication with them, some kind of communication, because that time they told us, okay, you can go back for the time being. We were on the runway that time, and we were called back after about 5-10 minutes. So we could see that now we have terrorists inside, we have terrorists outside. And after that, our aircraft was parked in front of this Kandahar, this international terminal. So after that, their behavior, I cannot say that it was good at all, because people were quite favoring to hijackers only.
The people, you mean to say who?
People mean like Talibanis, outside forces, Kabalis, like those people are called Kabalis basically. They wear their civil dress, they carry one rocket launcher, and you can say that another name you can give them, moral police kind of thing. So they were speaking some kind of language, like mix of some Pakistani language like Urdu and some Pashto, or kind of, like they knew what they are talking. So it was very difficult for us, for us to communicate with them also, and they were not listening at all. So basically, their motive was that somehow the demands of hijackers should be met, number one. Number two, if nothing happens, no bloodshed is done, that also they were agreeing to that. But we knew that we cannot come out from this situation without accepting the demands of those people.
Because you have that time, there is no options like this.
Yeah, definitely. We knew that there is no option, because Taliban was so strong that time, and our aircraft was totally surrounded by those people. So it was not possible for us.
जो हाल उस वक्त था, आज भी कुछ वैसा ही हाल है। तालिबान आज से 20 साल पहले जैसा था, आज भी वैसा है। अगर कुछ बदला है तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वादे। न्यूज़ तक ब्यूरो।